जपते रसना जपते मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही मात गर्भ तुम ही प्रतपालक मृत मंडल एक तू ही रसना 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 जपते 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 तू जपते तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता तुम है मीत हित प्राता तुम है पिता तुम ही फोन माता तुम है मीत हित प्राता रसना 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 जपते जपते जपते
एक ओंकार सत नाम करता पुरख निर्भव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत आजुनी सहपं गुर प्रसाद वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Welcome to the World of Sikhism TV program. We have been talking about Japji Sahib. My name is Kiran Parith Kaur, and this is by Gurdarshan Singh from Guru Gobind Singh Foundation in Rockville, Maryland. We'll pick up where we left off last week. We were talking about the 27th Bodhi of Japji Sahib.
Thank you everyone to be with us, to listen to Guru Nanak Dev Ji's words. And last week we started Sodar. As I said last week, this Shabd appears 3 times in Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And amazingly 2 times every day a Sikh who's Nitnemi, that everyday prayer, who does everyday prayer, in the morning time in Japji Sahib read the same Shabd, and with a little difference read the same Shabd in the evening. And keep reminding self that there is only one power. There is only one entity. There is only one God who has created all of us. And what he is saying in this Shabd is, what people used to do, worship in different deities, different idols. And he is saying that God is the one who is taking care of all of us. Even the deity you are worshipping, the deity is also worshipping God.
Right.
And as we see in this world, have a respect for somebody who's teaching you, but a person who is teaching you is not a guru. Guru in our tradition, guru is gu is ignorance, ru is enlightenment. Entity take you from state of ignorance to enlightenment is a guru. But guru is so humble still. He is talking about that I am nothing, but it is the God who has blessed me. And in order to achieve that God, you have to do meditate, good deeds, and sharing with others. So that kind of teaching is taught by the Guru. The Guru is respectful. Guru is worthy of to be worshipped in a different manner, but ultimately is the God.
As Vaheguru.
Is the Vaheguru.
Now, we talked about how this Shabad comes a couple of times. Why would there be small differences in the way this Shabad is versus the Shabad in Rahras?
Yeah, the difference is only the grammar part.
The grammar.
The grammar part.
Okay.
Otherwise, the meaning is the same, exactly the same. It is different words appear, but the meaning is the same, and the grammatical forms are different. Excuse me. So, last time when we were talking about this Shabad, so dar tera keha, so dar keha, so kar keha. There is another Shabad of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And when Guru is wondering that, why Guru, oh God, you have created this universe. You have created all the galaxies, all the planets, everything. Where are you? What is your place? What is your office? Where do you sit and take care of each and every one? And he says in one of his Shabad, he said, Jit dar vasain, kavan dar kahiye. What is that house where you live and take care of each and everything? Jit dar vasain, where you live, kavan dar kahiye. What is that called? Dar is called.
Okay.
Dara pitar dar kavan lahe. When I see all the doors, all the planets, all the creation, they are all your doors. But where is your door where you sit and talk, where you sit and take care of everyone? Then he says, Jis dar karan fira udasi. I am looking for that state. I'm looking for that house.
That place.
That place. Jiddar karan fira udasi, so dar koi aaye kahe. Is there anyone who can show me that path? Who can show me that house? Who can show me that place? In this Shabad, it's a total experience of that place. That why Guruji, I have found that. I have connected with that house where you are, where you sit and where you're taking care of each and every one. And in the Japji Sahib, he will open up that place and he will give the literal address of that place. He says, Sach Khand Vasai Nirankar.
Okay. At the end.
In the end.
Yeah.
He'll say, Sach Khand Vasai Nirankar. That God, you live in the state of truth. You live in the state of enlightenment. You live in the state of, or you are seen when somebody reaches at the state of love, state of enlightenment, state of oneness. You are there. There are many things we are unable to see. That doesn't mean they don't exist.
Right.
Many things. You know, our eyes are limited. So that's why Guru Amar Das Ji says, Nanak se akhdiyan bayan jini disando mapiri. He says those eyes are different who are able to see, who sees God, who sees God's power. Akhdiyan bayan means the eyes, not these eyes.
Okay.
The one thing is we must be clear. Eyes don't see. We see through eyes.
Okay.
Eyes don't see.
Okay.
We see through eyes. Ears don't hear. We hear through ears.
Our brain is what?
It is some
Something
power
inside.
sitting. And your eyes may be open, you may not be able to see anything. If your mind is not there. Sometimes you are in the party and a person goes in front of you and you don't even notice because your mind was not there.
Or you're staring off into space, but your mind is somewhere else.
That's right. And you can be in a concert, there's a lot of noise. If your mind is not there, you're not hearing anything. You're not listening anything.
Yeah.
And that happens every day.
Sure.
Nanak say, Akhadiyan Byan means those eyes are different who see God. And Guru Sahib says, "Oh jehdiyan akhan ne na, those eyes are of meditation, those eyes are of contemplation, those eyes are of service, those eyes are of ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਧਿਆਨ ਸਾਧਨਾ ਸਾਧਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲੇਟ
like meditation.
Self-focused.
Okay.
Focusing on your own life.
Reflective, like?
Reflections of life.
Uh-huh.
And when you are reflecting on your life and you see sometimes the beauty you see with closed eyes, you don't see with open eyes. Sometimes what you hear, the inner sounds within you, you don't hear with open ears. And this is the reality. This is not even a miracle. This is there. That is there.
Right.
And that's what Guru Sahib says. The Vaheguru ji, गावह चित्त गुप्त लिख जाना है, लिख लिख धर्म विचारे. Chit Gupta. So in that subcontinent that we were born, and we were told there are two agents who are after you every moment, wherever you're going. One agent takes care of your deeds, or write notations or notes on your deeds. Daytime, he's sitting on your right shoulder.
Okay.
And the one writing your deeds on sitting your left shoulder. One sleeps at that night and one sleeps at day.
Okay.
And that is Chit.
And Gupt.
It's a daytime.
Okay.
And the Gupt is a nighttime.
Okay.
Invisible.
Okay.
That was the prevalent thought, that two entities are watching your deeds.
Okay.
Monitoring your life.
Okay.
Then whatever is written, they take it to Dharmaraja.
So that's the same Dharmaraja we were talking about last time, right?
That's right. So this was a very prevalent thought, that one is monitoring your life daytime, one is monitoring your life nighttime. And when life ends, they present your case in front of their boss.
Okay.
It's called Dharmaraja.
Okay.
But in Gurbani, it's not taken literally. As you will hear this in the last slok of Japji Sahib, second slok. It says, Chingiyaiya, Buriyaiya, Vacha Dharma Hadur. That divine law is watching over you. And you cannot hide yourself anywhere where the divine law is not looking at you. So the Guru Sahib here is saying that Vaheguruji, those entities, Chitgupta, people say, they're also under you. Gavah means they're praising you, they are admiring your power.
Now, when we say Gave, does that mean specifically that they're singing, or just, again, you were saying that you can't always hear the music, our ears are only able to hear so much, or does it mean necessarily that not only are they singing, but also their actions are in your
accordance with your divine law.
Okay.
You know, usually we use this term.
Okay.
If you are so much in love with your friend, and your parents say that, oh, mera munda ta bas ode gun ganda rehanda.
Oh yeah, that's right. They say that.
They say that.
Yeah.
Ode gun ganda rehanda.
Yeah.
Gun gana means all the time you're expressing about something about your friend. Gavah means they're expressing their self in your love. Whatever they're doing, it's
in your love.
In your love.
In your remembrance. Okay.
That's right. Gavah Chit Gupt likh jana hai. Those who know how to write, those entities, likh dharam vichare, and the Dharmaraja in the end, the divine law, vichar karda udete, sees and contemplates on your deeds accordingly, then give you reward or punishment according to your deeds.
Right.
But this is again is talking about the myth. This
It's
is
not verifying that this is what happens. Guru Sahib is just using that because that's what people understood.
That's what people understood.
Okay.
Gav hai Ishar, Brahma, Devi. The Ishar is Shiva. Brahma is the creator power of God. Sohan Sada Savare. And they beautify you in front of you all the time. They're singing your praises. Means they are your admirers.
Yeah.
Gav hai Ind Indasan Baithe Devatayan Dar Nale. And Indra is one of the deity of rain in India.
Okay.
Guru Sahib mentioning their names because people used to worship them.
Right. Right.
People have their temples even. And Guru Sahib saying worship God who your deity is worshipping to.
Yeah.
Attain directly God in your life. And he says, Why Guruji, what is that place? Where is that house where Indra, who's a deity, with his team, with his angels singing your praises?
Gave Indrasan Baithe.
Indasan.
Indasan.
Indasan. Indra da asana.
Oh, where he sits.
Where he
Asan.
sits.
Okay.
In Raras, you say Indrasan.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
All right.
In Japji is Indasan.
Indasan.
Meaning is the same, but the little difference pronunciation.
So you have to pay attention.
You have to pay attention. Devatayan dar nale gave hai siddh samadhi andar. Siddh is the enlightened beings, ponche hue log, those people who meditate. They are singing Vaiguruji, your praises. Gavan sad vichare. Vichare means not vichare.
The poor folks.
Poor
Not
folks.
Like
No.
Vichara. Okay.
Vichare means in Raras you'll see Gavan sad vichare.
Vichare?
Vichare.
Okay. And this
ਵਿਚਾਰੇ
is
means ਜਿਹੜੇ
vichare.
ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ.
Okay.
ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ?
To contemplate or to teach about.
That's right. Those sadhs, those who have followed that path of spirituality, those who are walking on that path, and they are now teaching. They are now contemplating on the virtues.
Okay.
Gavan jati sati santokhi. Jati ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ English term ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, a person is pure. He
Like
has
celibate?
Celibate.
Okay.
Celibate. Sati is a compassionate nature.
Okay.
Santokhi is contented people.
Okay.
Gav hai veer karare. Veer is the warriors.
Okay.
The powerful warriors.
Okay.
Everyone is singing your praises. Gavan Pandit, Padan Rakhisar. He says, Bade Pandit. Those who translate for others. Gavan Rakhis, Jug Jug Veda Nale. From ages, with Vedas, they are singing your praises. Gav hai Mohaniya Man Mohan, Surga Mach Payale. He says, Manu Mon Valiyan, those who are attractive personalities, those who are, they're saying in heaven there are. Again, Guru Sahib is not saying that there is a heaven or
right.
the beautiful women are singing or
right.
doing this.
Right.
He's talking about what was the notion, what people would believe in that culture.
It's kind of like, oh, those of you that believe this, listen, this is what they're...
Listen,
Yeah.
The Guru Sahib is saying those are also singing in heavens, in under the earth, and on earth.
Okay.
Everywhere singing your praises. Gavan Ratan Upay Tere. Ratan is the chosen ones, not only diamonds,
Okay.
but the people who have created that, experienced the wisdom, which is called diamond itself. As Guru Nanak Dev Ji says in 6th Paudi of Japji Sahib, he says, मत विच रतन जवाहर माणिक जे एक गुर की सिख सुनी. The real wisdom is, a real diamond is your thought. Your thought is real wisdom, a real diamond. He says those people who are at that level of consciousness, Atsar Tirth Nale and all the 68 places of pilgrimage.
Sat means
At
60.
At means 8, Sat means 60.
60.
68 places of pilgrimage in
Okay.
India. Especially if we talk about Hinduism, they have 60 as a place. He says
Okay.
all the places are singing your praises. Your presence is everywhere. Gawe, Khand, Mandal, Varpanda,
Jodh.
Kar, Gawe Jodh, Mahabalsura, Jodhe, Bali, warriors, all the sources of creation, they're coming from you. They're singing your praises. They're admiring you.
Jodh is warriors. Mahabal is
Bade balale,
a
powerful.
strong bal. Okay, strong people.
Yeah.
Sura.
Sura is again surme.
Okay.
Yeah. Gawe khani chare. Char khaniyan kehdiyan ne?
Oh, Andaj, Jeraj,
Seth
Uttabaj.
is Uttabaj.
Okay.
Be the sources of creation.
Can you just describe what was the prevalent thought at the time?
The Andaj is that one kind type of creation takes place from eggs.
Okay.
Ande. And Jair is like human beings, animals,
Okay. Mammals.
mammals.
Uh-huh.
Andaj, Jairaj, Setaj, there are type of creation created takes place from sweat,
Like bacteria.
bacteria.
Okay.
And Andaj, Jairaj, Setaj, Utpuj, the creation which takes place in the ground, like
Okay.
vegetation.
Okay.
Like vegetation.
Okay.
So these 4 types of creation
Okay.
is all singing your praise.
Okay.
And then Gawe Khani Chare, Gawe Khand Mandal Varpanda, all the planets, universes, all singing your praise. Praise means, ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਪਹਾੜ ਹੈਗਾ, ਪਹਾੜ ਕੋ ਗਾ ਤੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
A mountain is not
Not yet
singing,
sing, yeah.
but it's an expression that God, you have established this. It is your creation.
Or it's living in your light, in your
Right, in your hukam,
hukam. Okay.
in your will. Everything is in your will. And the ਪਹਾੜ ਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਇਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੋਣ ਦੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਹੈ.
Okay.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹੋ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ?
That the mountain that's there is evidence that
Evidence of
Of
yours,
you, of
your
your
existence. Your existence. That's right. ਕਰ ਖੰਡ ਮੰਡਲ ਭਵੰਡਾ ਕਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਟਿਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੂੰ whatever you have created, everything is evidence of your existence. Singing your praises. And then he says, ਸਈ ਤੁਧ ਨੂੰ ਗਾਵਹਿ ਜੋ ਤੁਧ ਭਾਵਨ. Those sing your praises who accept you, who love you.
say tudunu gavan, those that are singing your praises. Jo tud pavan.
ਜੋ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜੋ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੇ those who accept your power.
Guru Sahib is not saying the one jo tud pavan, the ones that you want.
No.
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 Okay.
Those who you give light that you exist.
Those.
ਜੋ
Okay.
ਤੈਨੂੰ accept ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ.
Okay.
ਹਾਂਜੀ? Otherwise, if you don't accept, why would you sing praises?
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Right?
Yeah.
So, it says, those who accept you. Ratte tere bhagat rasale. Those who sing your praises knowing that you are there, their life is full of ras. Full of ras, full of juice. Full of
Ras.
your virtues. Full of compassion.
Okay.
So basically God is seen in those people's life who live God. Who live God. God's glimpses are seen in that. And he says, Ratte tere bhagat rasale. He says, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, Hor kete gavan se main chatana avan nanak kya vichare. What a beautiful line this is. He says, ਹੋਰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਗਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੇਤੇ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ.
I can't even
I cannot even
understand.
imagine. I cannot even comprehend how many people are singing, how much creation is singing, where they are. You know, this is such a saying everything, but keeping a self aside humbly.
Humble, yeah.
That this is not a claim that this is what it is. He says so much there is to be
So much
understood, more to be admired. ਹੋਰ ਕੇਤੀਗਮ ਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਿਤਨਾ ਨਾਨਕ ਕਿਆ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ, ਨਾਨਕ ਕੀ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? What Nanak can say about what is there? And so satsang, living in this so intellectual world, one thing which is destroying us is ego, that I know, I am more wise. So when you listen to these words, it totally shatters our ego and shows the true picture that most enlightened person, one of the most enlightened person ever existed on this planet, is so humble, saying that Vaheguruji, you are beyond our comprehension. And please bless us, guide us, give your light that we can live life in light.
And we can live our life in a way that shows evidence of Vaheguru. So this is the World of Sikhism program. We are presented by the National Sikh Center, and we look forward for your comments, feedback, negative, positive recommendations. We are very flexible to change. We're working for our Sangat. So please feel free to contact us at nationalsikhcenter@gmail.com. You can call us at 202-270-5528. You can also leave comments for us by searching on YouTube for this episode or previous episodes. You can search for the World of Sikhism and leave us comments on how we can make this program more beneficial for our Sangat. So thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you'll join us again. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
I'm Chatur Singh Saini. The Gurbani translation we are doing coming off the books called Nitnem and the daily prayer books. We can provide you if you need them from National Sikh Center at gmail.com or 202-270-5528. It is free of cost. It is available in Hindi and Punjabi and Spanish. We can also get it from different languages if you request us. Thank you very much.
Sukh nahi re har bhagat bina, sukh nahi re har bhagat bina, jeet janm eh ratan amolak, sad sangat जप एक खिना, सुख नाही रे हर भगत बिना।